Hello, welcome to the Developer Advisor channel. Today we are going with the Laravel video. That is our third video with the Laravel. So I will show here how you can do the database connection with your phpmyadmin and another things to make a login thing. Here I already did that, but I already remove all things. So I will show you how to do that again things. So let's start this. First of all, how to do the database connection. Here you should go inside this and you can get your database name here. You need to write your database name here, and also you can write your app name here. So it will take for all. Okay, let me show for phpmyadmin how we can go there. phpmyadmin, it's going there. Okay, inside I will show you many database there. Okay, I can show you here product is there, they are already using. Okay, many thing is there. Okay, so here you can check guys. Okay, I want to use this one, practice Laravel. I will use this database here. Okay, I will copy paste this name and I will use here with my database name. You are using here we are using the local host, so we don't need to do anything with username, just root is okay, and password you can put blank. If you have your own password and your own username, so you can use here guys. Okay, so that's it. Here we don't need to do anything, it is database connection is done. So after this file, after this we are done with that. So after another command we need to fire. That command is we need to see from the documentation. I will show that command with related to our authentication. So I will show where is the authentication is located. Here you can see inside the security, inside the authentications you need to go downside, but here you should change your version, which version you are using. I am using 5.8 with my project, so I will use here my version with 5.8, and this one is the I need to fire this command. So I will use my terminal. I'm using this php storm, it is good. So I will fire this command. You can see I need to just give yes because I use this for second time. If I'm using one time, the first time only, if I'm start that freshly only, so it will directly give this downline authenticate scaffolding generated successful. Okay guys, so now we generated all files. I will show you here. You can check here inside this views. So home.fly they already built it, and I need to show here. You can okay, you can check here. When I click on this file, it will redirect on that, but it is not with perfect with css. So I will show it is we need to change here something with our this directory. I am using here public. Also I need to use this one, because if you will console you will get this error. Your app.cs will not match with your css folder or like this. Okay, so file they are not getting. So here we are getting success. So after this I will show you one user, but first I want to show the database is there or not. First of all I need to show table is there or not. For that we need to fire one command, php artisan migrate. Okay, so this is a command I will fire here. So this command is working like this. Okay, so you can check here they created the data tables. So you can see here the users name table is there. So I will try to put one detail there. So I'm using a new user register. So here I will use the test, again test@gmail.com. any password whatever you like you can put there, but you should fire with 8 character or 8 thing. Okay, so I'm using because otherwise because if you will not put this, so they will give you error. So here you can check guys. Okay, it's going. Yeah, I am success with the login. So you can check I'm logged in with the home page. You can check this page, we are here. Okay, you are logged in. So I want to show you the data table also, my tables also. You can see the entry is there. I can log in with this only. Okay, so this is a small video about this authentication, how you can generate your database connection with your Laravel. So I hope you enjoy this video. So please like, comment, share my video, and please if you are subscribing my channel, so you should please press that bell icon. Thank you so much, have a great day.